Type-C charger 45W. Input voltage 100 to 240 V1. 3A 50 to 60 Hz. Output 20 V2. 25A15 V3A9 V2A5 V2A. Type-C adapter power cord for ADLX45 UDC C2A ADLX45 UDC G2A ADLX45 UDC U2A ADLX45 UDC I2A ADLX45 UDC R2A ADLX45 UDC B2A ADLX45 ULCC 2A ADLX45 ULCU 2A ADLX45 ULCK 2A ADLX45 ULCB 2A ADLX45 UCCC 2A ADLX45 UCCG 2A ADLX45 UCCU 2A ADLX45 UCCK 2A ADLX45 UCCI 2A ADLX45 UCCR 2A ADLX45 UCCA 2A ADLX45 UCCE 2A ADLX45 UCCB 2A ADLX45 YCC 3A ADLX45 YCC 2A ADLX45 YDC 3A ADLX45 YDC 2A SA18C 15460 SA18C 15461 SA10E 75839 SA10E 7584500 HM 661 00HM 660. Compatible with a variety of Lenovo laptops, including Yoga 720-13 IKB, IdeaPad 720S models, YOGA 910-14 IKB, Chromebook C330 S330. See product description for model list. 45W USB-C charger replacement for Lenovo Yoga 910, 910, 13, 910, 13 IKB 910-131 kilobytes 720, 13, 720, 720, 13 IKB C630-13C 630 13Q50 ThinkPad L480 L580 L490 L590 T480 T480s T490 T490s T495 Street 580 T580s T590 laptop power cord. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. I mean, what can I say, it was a perfect replacement for the one my 9-year-old lost, and it works just fine.